This is Megan Healy Studio, and I'm Megan. I just wanted to go over today our writing instrument. I usually like these pencils. In particular, there's a pencil called the Try Write. I don't receive any money from this organization, but this pencil has 3 sides. You can use any kind of pencil you like. I just find this one particularly comfortable. And it has a very nice eraser at the top. Some pencils struggle with their erasers, and I've sharpened this pencil. It's not too sharp. It's just sharp enough to write. And so how I hold my pencil, I have 2 ways to do it. One is called the tripod grip, where I'll put it down and then I'll pick it up. So we pick it up like a monkey would, with all fingers and thumb. But if we want to write, that's not going to be very comfortable for our wrist. So what we want to do is we want to use these 2 fingers and our thumb. So we can place it here. These 2 fingers will hold on to it and the thumb will support, okay? And so we can write like this. Now, I will tell you my favorite. It's something I learned later on in life. I was a lot older than a kid, and it was unusual, and I really liked it. It made it a lot easier for me to do cursive handwriting. For some reason, it was a lot less stressful, and I didn't hurt my hand by holding on to the grip so hard. And what that was is, instead of holding the pencil between the thumb and these 2 fingers, what you do is you take the pencil and you hold it between these 2 fingers and you support it with the thumb. You're still only using 3 fingers. You're just moving the pencil over a little bit. And so then when you write, I find it to be very relaxing for my wrist. It doesn't hurt my wrist as much. It doesn't hurt my fingers as much. And it makes writing in calligraphy or handwriting a lot easier. Enjoy.